everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne, and today we're going to be doing a very first, for me, unboxing of the Lola box. Now this is $21 a month, $5 to ship to Canada, that's in American dollars. This ships out the 15th of the month, which is awfully late, so I just got it today. I believe actually I got an email a little later than that, so it came fairly quick. I'm quite surprised. I've seen some of the spoilers, so let's get into this. I do have the link down below. If you want to subscribe after this, that would be great. You can use my link. So it comes with a little postcard, which is kind of neat, and it has everything that's in the box, and it describes what it has. So the first thing I see here is Beauty by Brianne. It's a liquid matte lipstick, and it retails for about $19, and that is actually really pretty. I'm not going to open that because I have way too many lipsticks, so I want to kind of keep things sealed, and then I can open them up and use them all up before the time frame. The next item I see here is Andalou Naturals Shea Butter and Cocoa Butter Hand Cream. Smells like Clemtine. It smells nice. And this is worth $8.95. We love hand cream in this house. My kids often get very dry hands, and when I go back to work, I'm going to probably stick one into my locker. So this is, no, I'm saying this wrong, so it's LAQA and Co. Brightener, Royce. Let's see if I can get into this. It's a blush, it's a highlighter, it's a lighter. A Royce is a creamy balm that reacts to the warmth of the skin for flawless bend. The shade is the newest Be-Lighters collection and is a rosy color with a perfect purple shimmery finish. A smooth application leaves a pigment glow for the perfect strobe contour and touch of color. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, that's sort of like the last highlighter I got. I will be using that. It's so pretty. Ooh. Definitely a keeper there. So the next item I see here is the Chella Eyebrow Cream. Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So it's got like a little gel in there, and then it has the brush. So that'll be interesting to use. I believe I've gotten one of these before, and I think I ended up just giving it away. So that's kind of nice. And then the very last reason, this was one of the spoilers that they'd come out with, was the palette. So this is Poolside by Ibby. I am loving this. This is the only reason why I subscribe. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. I'm going to wait and see. The next spoilers for October should be out. So if you do subscribe, October will be your first month. I believe they are sold out today. So this is Poolside. Oh my. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm going to have to walk around here and show you guys up close. Isn't that gorgeous? I think I might actually have to try these out later today or tomorrow. Ooh. So, oops. Isn't that's just one of the colors there. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is worth $20. This is really hard to find in Canada, so that's one of the reasons why I purchased this. This right here is almost the price of the box. So then the blighter is $17. The Chella Eyebrow Cream is actually $26. Wow, that's crazy. This was $8.95, and the liquid lipstick, which I already put back in the case, was $19. So actually a really good actually a really good value for what I paid for. It came super quick. It just ships later in the month. They don't offer a whole lot of spoilers, but they did say this was one of the spoilers here, and so was this. Yeah, I think I might hold on to the subscription. I'm not exactly sure. Like I said, you'll have to see. You have to see what the spoilers are. You can hit subscribe. That subscribe button should be coming up. As well as I do plan in the next few weeks coming out with a giveaway box. I have a lot of stuff, including a whole BoxyCharm box from September that I have doubles of, and I would like to find a home for them. So if you were interested in like winning something, hit the subscribe button. Watch for that video. I'm going to make it in the next, we'll say 2 to 3 weeks, and it's going to have a bunch of things in it. I'm thinking maybe the Tarte highlighter palette and a few other things from BoxyLuxe, and then BoxyCharm, and as well as some of the other boxes I have. If you're interested in seeing something in the box, then just comment below and let me know, and I can see if I can find something to go, find that product to go in the box if I'm not using it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Again, hit subscribe and the notification bells for when I do make more videos. I think we're at the end of September's boxes now, so now we're going into Halloween, and I have a bunch more boxes coming, and I can't wait to share them all with you. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.